Be honest, how many times have you walked into a store and dropped serious cash on fancy organizers, only to get home and realize your space still feels like a mess? You are definitely not alone. Most people assume getting organized means spending big money on matching bins and designer storage systems. But here is the truth. Nobody talks about enough. Everything you actually need is probably already sitting in your drawers, tucked in your closets, or hiding in your kitchen cabinets right now. Today, we are diving into 20 brilliant ways to transform everyday household items you already own into seriously smart organization solutions. No shopping trips, no expensive hauls, just creative thinking and items you already have. So stick around, because some of these ideas are going to completely change how you see your home. Let's start with tension rods. You probably bought one for a curtain and forgot about the extra sitting in your closet. Instead of letting it collect dust, place it horizontally under your kitchen or bathroom sink. Now you can hang spray bottles directly on the rod, freeing up all that cabinet floor space for bigger items. It is a simple shift that makes a massive difference. Now let's talk about shower caddies. Most people only think bathroom, but here is a smarter move. Place a shower caddy inside your refrigerator. Those small slots are perfect for standing up condiment bottles, salad dressings, and sauces that constantly tip over and create a mess. Everything stays upright, visible, and easy to grab. 2 items you already own, 2 problems completely solved. Now, let's step into the kitchen, because 2 items sitting in almost every home are secretly brilliant organizers. Muffin tins and ice cube trays are not just for baking and freezing. Pull them out and drop them into your junk drawer or vanity drawer, and suddenly, you have perfectly divided compartments ready to hold earrings, rings, paper clips, thumbtacks, rubber erasers, and small office supplies. Each little section keeps tiny items separated and easy to find in seconds. The best part here is that you are spending absolutely $0. These items are already yours, already sitting in a cabinet, probably being used only a few times a year. Repurposing them costs nothing and solves one of the most frustrating daily problems, which is digging through a messy drawer, searching for something small. Now let's talk about magazine holders, because these simple items are seriously underestimated. Most people tuck them on a bookshelf and forget about them, but they are actually incredibly versatile organizers waiting to be repositioned around your home. Mount a magazine holder inside a cabinet door using adhesive strips or small screws, and suddenly, you have the perfect spot for aluminum foil boxes, plastic wrap, and even cutting boards. Everything stays upright, accessible, and completely off your counter space. But the kitchen is just the beginning. Bring a magazine holder onto your desk and use it to keep files, notebooks, and tablets standing neatly in one place. No more stacking papers into chaotic piles or losing important documents. It creates an instant clean workspace without spending a single dollar on fancy desk organizers. Now let's talk about something sitting in almost every kitchen cabinet after you finish a pasta sauce or jam, and that is glass jars and mason jars. Instead of tossing them into recycling, these jars can become some of the most versatile storage solutions in your home. Mount them on a wooden board on your wall using hose clamps and screws, and suddenly you have a stunning spice rack that costs almost nothing. Place them on bathroom shelves to hold cotton balls, hair ties, or makeup brushes. In craft rooms, they are perfect for storing buttons, ribbons, and small tools. Even in garages, mason jars keep nails, screws, and bolts sorted and visible. They are functional, they are beautiful, and they give any space a clean, intentional look that actually impresses guests. Now let's talk about pegboards. Most people have one collecting dust in the garage, holding a few old tools, and completely forgotten. But here's what almost nobody considers: bringing that pegboard indoors. When installed in a kitchen, a pegboard becomes an incredible wall-mounted storage system where you can hang pots, pans, ladles, spatulas, and measuring cups. Everything stays visible, accessible, and completely off your counters and out of your drawers. But kitchens aren't the only option. In a home office, A pegboard transforms into a command center for organizing cables, scissors, tape, sticky notes, and stationery. You can add hooks, small baskets, and shelves to customize it exactly how you need. The result is a completely clutter-free workspace that actually functions beautifully every single day. Now let's talk about something most people either shove in a corner or toss out entirely: old wooden crates and wine boxes. If you have any of these lying around, you are sitting on some seriously underrated storage potential. Here is all you need to do. Stack them on their sides, and instantly you have open shelving. Line them up against a wall in your living room for books and plants. Stack them in your bathroom for rolled towels and toiletries, or use them in a kid's room for toys and small baskets. The best part? A quick coat of paint or a simple wood stain completely transforms them. Suddenly, they do not look like repurposed boxes anymore. They look like intentional, stylish furniture pieces you actually chose on purpose. Now let's talk about one of the most underutilized items hiding behind your doors right now: the over-the-door shoe organizer. Most people hang one up, toss a few pairs of shoes in it, and completely forget about its incredible potential everywhere else in the home. Think about your pantry for a moment. Those clear pockets are absolutely perfect for storing snack bags, small food packets, seasoning pouches, and even kids' lunch items. Everything becomes visible and grab-ready instantly. Move it to your bathroom, and suddenly you have dedicated spots for toiletries, hair tools, bobby pins, and travel-sized products. In your kids' room, it becomes a toy and art supply station that keeps the floor clear. And in your laundry room, cleaning products, dryer sheets, and stain removers finally have a proper home. Here is one that genuinely surprises people every single time. That old wooden ladder sitting in your garage or storage room collecting dust is actually one of the most stylish and functional decor pieces you never knew you had. Simply lean it against a wall in your bathroom, and instantly you have a towel rack with serious character. Move it into your living room, and it becomes a blanket holder that looks like it came straight from a home design magazine. Want a plant display shelf? Lean the ladder near a window and arrange your pots on each rung. The best part is this requires absolutely zero modification. No drilling, no painting, no tools whatsoever. Just lean it and walk away. It looks completely intentional and effortlessly stylish every single time. Now let's talk about the smallest items on our list that deliver some of the biggest results. Binder clips, clothespins, and rubber bands might seem insignificant, but these three little heroes are absolute game changers for everyday organization frustrations. Start with binder clips on your desk. Clip them along the edge and thread your charging cables through the metal loops. No more cables sliding behind your desk or tangling into a chaotic mess. Move to your pantry and grab some clothespins. Use them to label and seal open snack bags, chip bags, or pasta packets. They keep food fresh and make finding things effortless. And rubber bands? Place them under cutting boards or any item that slides around your counter. Instant grip, zero frustration. These micro solutions cost almost nothing and solve problems you face literally every single day. Here is one most people never see coming. Before you toss that empty egg carton, think about your garage or craft room. Those individual compartments are perfectly sized for sorting screws, nails, bolts, buttons, and beads. Label each section, stack them in a drawer, and suddenly your loose hardware chaos becomes a completely organized system. $0 spent. Now let us talk about your closet. If you have tall boots, you know the struggle of them flopping over, creasing, and eating up valuable floor space. Here is where pool noodles become surprisingly brilliant. Simply cut them into sections that fit inside your boots and slide them right in. The boots stand tall, keep their shape, and your closet floor stays neat and functional. Both the egg carton and the pool noodle are already sitting in most homes right now just waiting to be useful. And there you have it. 20 brilliant ways to organize your home using items you already own. The core message here is simple. Home organization does not require expensive trips to the store or a massive budget. Everything you need is likely already sitting in your drawers, cabinets, closets, and garage, just waiting to be seen differently. The next time you feel overwhelmed by clutter, pause before reaching for your wallet. Instead, look around your home with fresh eyes and ask yourself what you already have that could solve the problem. You might be surprised by what you discover. Now, I want to hear from you down in the comments. Which hack are you trying first? If this video gave you ideas, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical, budget-friendly home tips every week.